In big organizations right now, where do you think AI is overhyped and where do you think it's underhyped? We asked this to Carp yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's very overhyped that it's going to eliminate jobs in the next like 1 to 2 years. Like, I
Mhm.
think this line of thinking would require a change in the curve of capabilities and the change management inside of these organizations, where I think it's like way overblown. Like, the promise is just so high, and the reality of what's going on the ground is there's value, but the value needs to be extracted, and that requires a ton of work.
Yeah.
And so I think what's going to happen with these customers in the next year, if I had to make a prediction, is you're going to go from like having a certain amount of money, which is usually a lot in these companies, allocated for like AI initiatives, to what is the ROI?
Mhm.
Like, the Grim Reaper is going to come for every AI company that is not delivering value to these customers, because what's happened is they've all been sucked into this idea that like, oh, if we don't invest in this, we're going to miss out. But because AGI is coming,
Mhm.
and the reality is that if that doesn't pay off, that expectation is very high. And if you're not finding a way to like give ground truth to these customers, they're going to be very disappointed.